As a business owner, you know all too well how challenging the COVID pandemic has been. Through emergency government orders, businesses have been forced to restrict or completely shut down during the pandemic. In order to try to keep the economy intact in such a challenging situation, the government has released several programs aimed at supporting those businesses negatively impacted by the pandemic. A significant program introduced in March of 2020 was the Employee Retention Credit. The Employee Retention Credit, or ERC, was designed to reward and bolster those businesses that were able to retain their employees during the pandemic. If your business qualifies, the ERC program allows for up to $26,000 per employee. This means a company with 10 employees could receive up to $260,000 in ERC funds. It's important to note, this program is not a loan and does not have a cap on funding. Although this program was released at the same time as the PPP funding, it has been poorly utilized nationwide. This is because originally it provided much less funding and restricted qualification to few businesses. This program has had several changes, with the most recent amendment being signed into law in November 2021, and is expanded, enriched, and the rules for qualification have been significantly eased. We have dedicated an experienced accounting staff to helping businesses navigate the more than 200 pages of official IRS documents on this program to ensure they maximize the value of this credit to their business. We've also compiled the official government orders from every state and U.S. territory that provide solid ground for documenting qualification. We know you probably have questions, so let's address a few of the top questions we receive. 1. How do I know if I qualify? Qualification is based on business operations that have been affected by the various government actions taken to stop the spread of COVID-19. With Notice 2021-20, the IRS has further defined what qualifies for this credit, and they have acknowledged that supply chain disruptions, which affected business operations by more than 10%, qualify for this credit. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the majority of businesses in sectors such as manufacturing, construction, and retail trade had these issues, and that these disruptions were significant and widespread across all sectors. Don't pre-qualify yourself. We only charge anything if we find credit for you. We have rediscovered hundreds of millions of dollars for U.S. small businesses, and we will provide you a good idea of your qualification in 5 minutes through our website. And if we feel you have qualifiers, we'll provide a full analysis for your business free of charge. 2. Can't I just claim the credit myself or use my CPA? Of course you can. But we tend to think if your current accountant knew you qualified for thousands of dollars, they would have told you about it already. Funny part is, CPAs are referring to our business all the time because they usually don't have the expertise to handle this. And with this amount of funding available, we don't believe using your business to learn about this credit is the best idea. We evaluate each company using the IRS guidelines to maximize this credit and select the path that provides the most certain qualification and maximum funding. We also complete the entire process in just a few days and provide a full audit library to support your qualification. 3. Is there a money-back guarantee? Yes. If your business doesn't qualify, you won't be charged anything. Again, we only charge a fee if you receive a credit. We work hard for you. We evaluate and analyze the provided information. Find the max allowable credit we can get back for you and provide an analysis, usually within 3 to 5 business days. Unlike the PPP, these funds don't need to be paid back and can be used for anything. Don't delay though, the IRS is taking 4 to 6 months to process these returns. And as this ERC credit has become more available for businesses, this backlog may increase.